Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you, my dear first class students. Today discuss about money. See here from your course book, volume 2. This is your course book, volume 2 beta, grade 1, volume 2, page number 35. Page number 35. See here, I have seen these kinds before. I have these kinds before. See, this is 1 rupee coin, this is 2 rupee coin, this is 5 rupees coin, this is 10 rupees coin. So this is R. In the R, this is the symbol of Indian rupee. Indian rupee. See here, this is 1 rupee coin beta, this is 2 rupee coin, this is 5 rupee coin, and this is 10 rupee coin. This is the symbol in the R. Now here, how much money in all, how much money do you see in each piggy bank? See here 2 rupees plus 2 rupees, so you can get 4 rupees beta. Then you can write here 4. Like this only you can write. Now next one, this is 1 rupee coin plus this is 2 rupee coin. So 1 plus 3 you can get 3. Write down here 3. Now next one is, this is 5 rupee coin plus this is 10 rupee coin. So you can get 5 plus 10, 15. Everybody write down 15. Now next one is, ₹10 coin plus 2 rupee coin. You can get 12 rupees. Now next, this is 10 rupee plus 5 rupee coin. So 10 plus 5 you can get 15 rupee. So 15 rupees. 15 rupees. Now next one is 2 rupee coin plus 2 rupee coin plus 1 rupee coin. You can get 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 rupees. So you can get 5 rupees. So everybody write down in your course book. So first one is 4 rupees, second one is 3 rupees, next one is, third one, that is 15 rupees, next 12 rupees, next 15 rupees, next 5 rupees. These are the piggy bank. Now next one, page number 36, making of the value use 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. See here, now I am here taking 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. See, this is 2 rupee coin and this is 1 rupee coin. See here, first one is 3 rupee. 3 rupee means we can use 2 rupee and 1 rupee coin. So 2 plus 1, 3 rupee. Next 4 rupee beta. 4 rupee means you can use 2 rupee coin and also 2 rupee coin. So 2 rupee coin you can use 2 times. Okay, beta? Now here I am drawing. So here 4 rupees means here ₹2 coin 2 times better. So this is ₹2 coin. This is ₹2. So 2 plus 2 you can get 4 rupees better. So you can do this like only. Now next 5 rupee. 5 rupee means, so you can use 2 rupee coin 2 times. ₹1 coin 1 time better. See here this like only. ₹2 plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupees. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now next 6 rupees. 6 rupees means 2 rupees how many times better? 3 times. So 2 rupees time you can draw 3 times. Now next 7 rupees. So you can draw 2 rupees coin 3 times, 1 rupee coin 1 time. So this is 2 rupee. This is 2 rupee. This is 2 rupee. This is 1 rupee. ₹2 plus 2 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupee. 6. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Now next 8 rupees means you can use 2 rupees coin 4 times. See here. Yeah, 8 rupees 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 times 2 rupees coin. Next 9 rupees. So 2 rupees can how many times? 4 times plus 1 rupee coin 1 time. Next 10 rupees. 2 rupees coin you can draw 5 times. Two rupees plus 2 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. Total 10 rupees. Next, page number 37, making up the value, use 5 rupees, 5 rupee, 2 rupee and 1 rupee coins. See here, 6 rupee is equals to, you can use 5 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Now 7 rupee is equals to, you can use 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. So 5 plus 2 7. Now next 7 rupees is equals to, we can use 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. So like this only you can use. See here, listen carefully beta. So 7 rupees. 7 rupees means 5 rupees coin already given. Then you can use 2 rupees coin. 5 plus 2, 7 rupees. Next one, this is 7 rupees. Means already here 2 rupees coin is given. Then you can draw 5 rupee coin. 2 plus 5, 7 rupees. Next 8 rupees. So you can use 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. See here, this is 2 rupee coin and another one is 1 rupee coin. See here, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Total 8 rupees. Now next 8 rupees means you can use 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. See, this is 5 rupee coin. First one is, second one is 1 rupee coin. So this is 2 rupee coin. Five rupees plus 1 rupee plus 2 rupee. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8 rupees. Now next 9 rupees means 5 rupees plus 2 rupee plus 2 rupee. Now next 9 rupees. You can use 5 rupee coin, one rupee coin. How many times 1 rupee coin? 5 plus 2, 7. Next 2 rupee coin. So this is 5 rupee. This is 1 rupee. This is 1 rupee. This is 2 rupee coin. See here. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. Now next 10 rupees. You can use 5 rupees coin 2 times. See here, 5 rupee means 5 plus 5, 10 rupees. Now next 10 rupees. I can use 2 rupees coin 5 times. See here 10 rupees means I can draw 2 rupees coin 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. Okay? See everybody practice at home. Today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.